Well, so far we've hit 100 degrees, officially at least, at DFW Airport 12 times this year. I think we may tack on to that as we head towards the weekend into early next week. Although, to put things in perspective, back in the sizzling summer of 2011, we were well over 50 100-degree days at this point in time. In fact, I think bearing down on the 60th. 98 degrees tomorrow is what we're expecting for a high, 99 on Friday. And then I think we'll hit triple digits this weekend, continuing in early next week. 101 for Monday as the kids go back to school. 97 today's high, 79 the morning low, 96 and 75 the averages. Pollen count today was 16 for ragweed, and that number should be going up here in the coming days and weeks. Moderate air quality and the UV index was high at 9. Here's a look at the satellite. Just a few isolated showers and storms late this afternoon, early this evening. They formed south of Palestine. They moved northward into Henderson County and then dissipating up into Van Zandt County. There's the swath of rain that fell. Our Doppler radar indicating estimates of just over ½ an inch of rainfall in a few choice locations there. 24-hour forecast, 88 at midnight, 79 degrees at 7 o'clock in the morning, 92 at noontime, and I think we'll heat it up into the upper 90s tomorrow afternoon with a southerly breeze blowing a lot of hot air around. In fact, when you factor in the humidity tomorrow, I think it'll feel more like 103 by about 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And keep in mind, that's based on temperatures taken in the shade. If you're in full sun, it's going to feel easily 10 degrees warmer to you. Down in the tropics we go now. There is an area of low pressure here north of South America, east of the islands. It is still somewhat disorganized, but getting slowly better organized, and it will be moving into an area where the wind shear is expected to weaken and where there is plenty of warm water for it to develop. In fact, many of our computer models are suggesting that this system will become a tropical depression, but how strong it becomes and exactly where it tracks, really anybody's guess at this point in time. Some of our computer models here indicating perhaps the Bahamas or Miami towards next week, and there is some potential for that system to move into the Gulf of Mexico. Until then, it's going to be turning hot here. Triple-digit heat as that ridge of high pressure builds to the north and west, but that high will lose its grip a little bit by the middle of next week. That could allow some tropical moisture to stream in here by about Wednesday and Thursday of next week, especially if we have an organized system in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's your 4-Warn AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Upper 90s Thursday and Friday, up around 100 Saturday, Sunday, 101 on Monday, and we'll trim those temperatures back a few degrees with a slight chance of storms by next Wednesday.